Hello students, we are continuing our lesson number 16, My House. Here there is one camp is going to held. Children from many schools came for the camp. For them, tents have been put up in the ground. They decorated school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. And today is the first day of the camp. They are very happy. In the morning, all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. Each of them introduced themselves. Okay, and first one was Bhupan. Bhupan introduced himself and said, he has come from Molan village in Assam. What's that specialty in Assam? It rains heavily in Assam. So their houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. Why are the houses made on bamboo pillars? Because the rains heavily where Bhupan lives. So the houses made on bamboo pillars. What kind of roofs Bhupan's house have? Roofs of this house have slope. So the water can flow downwards. And how does one enter this house? One enter this house with the help of a ladder. Next one was Chameli. Chameli introduced, she has come from Manali, which is a hilly area. And she said, it rains heavily and snow as well. When it is very cold, they like to sit in the sun. Their houses are made of stone or wood. What are the similarity in the roof of Chameli and Bhupan? The roofs of Chameli and Bhupan's house have slopes. Why roofs help their areas? In which way roofs help them? Such roofs allow snow and rain to flow downwards. Next one was Mithali and Anuj. Mithali and Anuj said they are coming from Rajkot and they showed very high buildings. What Bhupan said? Oh, such tall houses. And next one was Kashiram. Kashiram what said? Kashiram told everyone he has come from Rajasthan. Rainfall is very scarce in our area. Bhupan's place have heavy rainfall, but Kashiram's house, which area situated? Kashiram's house in Rajasthan, so rainfall is very scarce and very hot too. They live in mud houses. The walls of houses are very thick. These walls are plastered with mud. The roofs are made of thorny bushes. So the houses in mud houses in Rajasthan made with mud, and the houses are very thick. And next, in the same way, all the groups spoke about their houses. After introduction, a cultural program also held. The children performed various dances. They sang folk songs in their own languages. Everybody had kahwa with almonds and cardamom. They really enjoyed themselves. Children, in the evening, they all went to Dal Lake. You know what is Dal Lake? And in Dal Lake, they saw a houseboat. They sat in a shikara and some children moved the oars. They saw the Charminar surrounded by blue mountains. Here picture also given. There is one houseboat is there and shikara also there. Children, Would you like to live in such a house? I know you all will say yes. We will enjoy both living and boating in such houses. Now, children, what is the conclusion of this lesson? We seen different types of houses here. Pakka houses, kacha houses, and there are some unusual houses also. What are they? Hut, snow house, tent, houseboat, multi-story building, mud house, snow house, and there bamboo house and stone or wood houses also. These are the different types of house. Children, what about New Delhi? New Delhi is the capital of India. People from villages and towns come to big cities like Delhi in search of work. Why all are assembling? Why all are going to cities to search work? These people often settle in the city. There are a large number of people living there, and we also living in Surat city, no? And the space is less here. Many people do not have houses at all. They have to live in slums. Do you know what is slums? People sleep wherever they find place. Where they are sleeping? On the road, on the footpath, at the station, etc. etc. So these are the conclusion of our lesson, and the different types of houses also we seen in this picture. Thank you.